Has your computer stopped working and returned to a blue screen showing the PC needs to restart? Well, in that case, you have landed at the right place. We have the best solutions for you. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. The easiest way to resolve this problem is by restarting the PC. Or just wait for the computer to do it automatically. If the blue screen appears even after restarting the PC, then you need to take additional actions. Method 2. Since regular restart hasn't worked, you need to disconnect all the external devices attached to the PC, especially the external hard drives and pen drives. You can remove them one by one or all of them at once and then manually restart the PC to see if the blue screen goes away. Method 3. You can use the safe mode in Windows and uninstall the recent programs to resolve this problem. For that, first go to the Windows search bar, type msconfig and press enter. Select the boot tab in the following option. Under boot options, choose safe boot and minimal setting. If the blue screen reappears, then restart the computer and press F8 to get into safe mode. Once in the safe mode, head over to the control panel and open Uninstall a program. Sort by installed date and uninstall the program you think is causing this issue. Don't have a solution so far? After the video ends, join our Facebook group where our experts help users just like you solve tech issues daily. Join the group from the link in the description or the pinned comment and ask for help. We promise to help you out. Method 4. Uninstalling recent updates can fix the blue screen of your PC. Just like the previous method, get into the safe mode and head over to the control panel. Then click on View Installed Updates. Uninstall the update you think is causing this issue. Method 5. Rollbacking or disabling the drivers can also help you resolve this issue. In the Windows search option, type Device Manager and press Enter. After that, right-click on the driver you think is causing this issue. Then click on the Properties, choose Driver tab and select Rollback Driver. And then choose Previous version of the driver seemed more reliable. Now if the rollback doesn't resolve this issue, then try uninstalling or disabling the driver. Method 6. The last resort to resolve this issue is to reinstall the Windows. Before doing that, you must keep a backup of all the data, as reinstalling the OS will result in loss of all files and information. If you can access your PC, you can back up the information in hard drive or cloud storage. If you cannot access the PC, then use another working PC and create a live Linux drive to create a backup of all your data. So, these are some of the handy and unexpected ways to speed up your computer and optimize performance. We hope one of these methods worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Join our Facebook group to get direct help on everything tech. Leave a comment and tell us if the solutions worked for you. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.